One of the most common questions I get regarding microgreens is how to get the hulls off. And today I'm going to tell you how to do that. This is a snippet from the upcoming microgreens online course that I'm developing. So we've still got a ways to go, but we're planning to have this, a beta of this released by March. So check it out, and if you want to sign up to get in the beta testing, which will be a cheaper launch than the later launch, go to smallfarmacademy.com/p/microgreens. The link will also be below. Enjoy. When it comes to removing the hulls of the sunflower shoots, this is one of the more common questions I get regarding this crop. There's a variety of different things you can do to make sure that those hulls shed as the crop grows. The first one is making sure you water the crop enough. If you don't water it enough, the crop isn't going to grow as well. There's not going to be as much vigor to the crop, and it won't shed that hull. So making sure that your shoots are well watered is the first step. The second is making sure they get enough sunlight. If they don't get enough light, then they're not going to grow well either, and so it's not going to pop that hull off. The third, one little quick trick you can do before you harvest them is you hold your flat up before you're going to harvest it and just run your hand over it, and that'll knock off some of the hulls. Now the fourth thing is in the post-harvest. So after you've harvested your crop, the washing, the spinning, and the drying are all going to remove hulls each time. So if you followed all four of those steps up to that point, you should have most of your hulls removed. Hope you guys have found that helpful. If you want to get into the course, remember to sign up at smallfarmacademy.com/p/microgreens. Again, the link is below. Talk to you guys later.